Hey guys, Wolfgang here with Poliworld and it's Earl, and today we're going to be taking a look at Pokemon X and Y Phantom Gate Booster Packs. These are Japanese. Got Mega Gengar there on the front cover. Really neat looking stuff. So let's get right into them. I got these online from Toy Wiz. They're about $4.50 a booster pack. Got different backs on these ones and on the regular Pokemon cards. That's neat. Got like the elements in the corners and stuff. Alright, and starting us off here, we have this guy, Fletchinder, Lantern, Heatran. We got a nice shiny right there out of the gate. Got all the elements on there as well. It's pretty cool. They're kind of tough to get open. So it looks like the artwork is the same. The only difference is the Japanese text on the card. But they're still really cool looking. There's Swirlix. Japanese Gengar EX. That's really cool looking. Look at that. Wow. Alrighty, that is a fantastic looking card right there. Very cool. Yay! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to comment, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you want to see more, check the links below to see more of my videos. Thank you, and have a great day.